Hi guys, today we're going to walk through setting up a security freeze, also known as a credit freeze, for all three credit bureaus right from your phone. Identity theft is more common than most people realize, but this step can help stop that from happening. This prevents lenders from opening new accounts or loans in your name unless you personally unlock it. It's completely free, it doesn't hurt your credit score, and you can temporarily unfreeze it anytime you need to apply for something. I've done this myself recently and it's very quick and easy to do. I'm going to walk you through how to do it step by step using the official apps for TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and you can follow along easily. We'll also use the official website on your phone. Before we get started, let me quickly explain what a credit freeze actually does. It blocks lenders from accessing your credit report. Since they usually check your credit before approving loans or credit cards, this makes it much harder for identity thieves to open accounts in your name. It does not affect your credit score, stop you from using existing cards, or prevent you from applying for credit later. You can simply unfreeze your credit according to the schedule you set up. Something to note is the credit bureau apps promote paid credit lock services. Those are optional and really unnecessary. The security freeze gives you strong protection and is free. Paying for the services they want to provide is expensive and unnecessary. Just decline any paid subscription offers. Okay, now let's look at how to do it on TransUnion. Go ahead and download the TransUnion app from the App Store, then open the app and set up your account. Their freeze has to be done in the Service Center online. So we're going to go ahead and set up our account on the app, but then we're going to open up the website right from the app and make the change there. When you set up your account, use a strong, unique password, allow two-step verification, and if it asks you, allow fingerprint or Face ID. You may then have to go to your email and verify your email address. So click on sign up for free and get your account set up. Once your account is set up, your home page should look like this. Then you're going to scroll down until you see credit freeze. Tap on that and then tap log in to the Service Center. That opens a web page on the TransUnion website. Once you get logged back in, scroll down and tap Add Freeze. Once your credit freeze is in place, you may leave the freeze, or you may temporarily lift it to allow lenders to see your report. When you need to temporarily lift the freeze, go back to the app, log in, scroll down, and tap Credit Freeze again. Then tap Log into the Service Center. Once you're logged in, tap Credit Freeze, and then temporarily lift freeze. Then you can set up the time frame and tap Continue, and then Confirm. Let's look at Experian. We'll do the same thing. We'll download the Experian app, then set up your account and log in. From here, you have to scroll almost all the way to the bottom of the page until you get to Freeze File. Go ahead and tap Freeze File. And then tap the switch next to Unfrozen to turn it on. Temporarily unfreeze your credit file by coming back here and doing the same thing. Just tap Add a Thaw and then set up the schedule. Experian is the only credit bureau that allows you to set up the initial freeze in the app. Now download the Equifax app and set up your account. They allow managing a freeze from the app, but to set the initial freeze, we need to go to myequifax.com. So open your favorite browser and type in myequifax.com in the browser bar. Create your account. You may set up Face ID or Fingerprint ID. They may require a PIN or a passkey. Once you have it all set up and you've verified your email, we're going to scroll down and tap Place a Freeze. Tap Place a Freeze again. So now we can go back to the dashboard in the app, and under Account Status, you can see it's frozen. If you need to lift the freeze, just come back here and temporarily lift the freeze. And then you can set up the start date and the end date, and then tap Continue. Confirm by tapping Temporarily Lift a Freeze again. Freezing your credit is one of the simplest and most effective steps you can take to protect yourself from identity theft. It only takes a few minutes, and it can save you a lot of stress later on. If you found this helpful, I create simple step-by-step iPhone tutorials to help make technology easier. So please subscribe if you'd like more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.